equality.
Naiinis na siya tuwing lumalabas kami at imamagine ko, talagang parang rebelde ba to? Hindi pa na siya rebelde. It's because lumalabas na ng totoo niya.
I really want to be able to maximize that power so that all of the content creators, whether starting or existing content creators already, will also make a stand behind the LGBTQI.
Sa community kasi ng Vlogger Palooza, maliit malaki pwede. Hindi ka kailangan maging sobrang artista level or sobrang mega influencer level. Kahit nagsisimula ka, pwede. And that inclusion is also translated into other things. Tulad na lang ng ganito, dahil hindi lang naman nasa follower count yan. Sa pagkatao din. So very inclusive din po ang company, and that's what we champion. So ako naniniwala ko sa power ng Vlogger na gano'n. That's why me, as the current leader of the company, I also push that sa ating mga creator communities. I hope that we can also champion inclusivity. Again, not only in terms of size and superficial things, but also in things that matter.
This is not my reality, but this is the reality of so many people I love, I care for, on a very, very deep level. Not just because it's good for business, you know what I mean? Which is also good for business. I recognize that too. But again, yung malasakit mo para doon sa pinaglalaban. I recognize the power that we have. So, in the little things that we can do, kahit yung maliliit na bagay that we can support, try natin to push. Kung evil naman tayo, bakit hindi? Sa Vlogger, ang Pride hindi lang sa tuwing June. Dahil ang Pride ay araw-araw.
You realize that it's never too late. Alam mo yun, tsaka let's also remind our future generation that it's not important, it's not necessary to come out.